Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name Bảo Hoàng.
How old are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
Okay. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Okay. Where do you study?
I study at IVC Rủ Hồ Xeo Trọ.
Okay. Is it a cow?
No.
Is it a chicken?
Yes.
Yes. Today you will be having English speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Ready. Okay. We will start here. What shape is this?
It's a yellow circle.
What shape is this?
It's a green rectangle.
What shape is this?
It's a blue triangle.
What shape is this?
It's a red square.
What shape is this?
It's a red heart.
Okay, that's good. Let's talk about this. What's this?
It's a hat.
What is this?
A tumbler.
What is this? It's a dress.
Dress.
Okay, what are these?
It's a shoe.
What are these?
It's a sock.
Okay, now let's talk about this one. What animal is this?
It's a tiger.
What animal is this?
A cow.
What animal is this?
A bee.
What's this?
It's a
What is this?
flower.
Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye. High five. High five.